Do you know that the marigold flower in Mexico is one of the key elements to celebrating Day of the Dead? Today we're going to make these fun marigold paper flowers. Let's start. Fold your tissue paper twice. Open it and cut it down the lines to get 4 separate panels. Now take one panel and fold it over. Then fold it twice this way. This is the folded end, and this is the open end. Let's cut a French on our open end. Cut your paper all the way up, but stop before you reach the end of your panel. Now very carefully unfold the paper. Take your time so it doesn't rip. It helps to run your finger down the middle to open the fringes. Now let's scrunch our paper up by pinching it together. Take a green pipe cleaner and fold it around the middle of the scrunched paper and twist it. Now fluff up the leaves. Cut a paper leaf and attach it to your pipe cleaner using a piece of pipe cleaner you previously cut. And twist it to secure the leaf. And we are done with our flowers. I hope you had a lot of fun making them. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.